Hello, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to do a split Dutch pour, but I'm going to show you how I do everything from start to finish. And again, this is how I do things. I know everybody has their own technique and own way to do it. So first I am going to prep the canvas by taping off the back because I want to keep the back of it nice and clean. So this keeps any paint from messing up on this area. Whoops. So I'm going to put the tape down, cut the edges, and I'll show you what I do after I get all the tape put down here. So once I get all that tape put down, I just use just a little wider stick and just smooth out the edges, push down real nice against the corners, just to make sure that tape is stuck down really well so paint doesn't leak in there. Make sure that the edges are all nice and clean, and that's it for the back. Once that's all done, now I'm going to level my canvas prior to painting so I can make sure when I set it up over here after I'm done painting, it's nice and level. If you don't have it leveled well, then you're going to have paint falling off the sides. So I use these little stands that I got off of Amazon. I really like them, except for sometimes putting them on there, they stick to my mat on the bottom. But I like them because I'll show you, you can actually level them. My table is pretty unlevel, but you can just kind of twist them to get the right level, which is really nice. Once I get it set up on my little stands, then I'm going to use a level to make sure my canvas is level. So then I can do some adjustments to just by twisting my little stands to make sure that I get everything good and level. You'll want to use this level on each side of the canvas in both directions just to make sure it is completely level. Okay, let's paint. Today I'm going to be doing a split Dutch pour with black and white base. The colors I'll be using are going to be Turquoise, Phthalo by Golden, Iridescent Pearl by Golden, Pearl Sage Green by Arteza, Metallic Silver by Artist's Loft, and Pearl Green by Amsterdam. Okay, I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be back. All right, let's blow this out and see how it turns out. Wow, I love these colors. I love them. I just want to pop any bubbles that I see before it starts drying. Fix a couple little areas, but not too much. I'm afraid to mess with it too much. I don't want to mess it up. just want to fix a couple of little spots here that I don't like, but very carefully. And I think that's about it. I just don't want to mess with it too much. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. So you want to make sure that when you scrape all of the edges, all the drips off the edges, so because it will continue to pull that paint off of there. So you want to scrape those edges. Do that and then come back in a few minutes and do it again. And after about 10 or 15 minutes or so, you should be good, maybe 20 minutes. Keep checking it every 5-10 minutes and make sure that there's not a lot of drips. Especially if there's more drips on one side than the other, then you definitely don't have your canvas level. So as you can see, as I scrape along the edge, there's just very little bit coming off, off of there. So there's going to be some in the very beginning, but then after 10-15 minutes, you really shouldn't be getting any drips. Maybe a little small drip here and there. That's it. Okay, I'm just gonna check the edges and add like where the canvas didn't cover really good along the edges. I'm just gonna kind of just dab on some paint. I don't want to do where the color is on the sides, but I do want to make sure that all the sides are covered nicely. So I'm gonna do that with the white. I may even do it with a little bit of the black. Okay, I'll bring you down for a close-up. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. The camera isn't picking up all the beautiful details, unfortunately, but they are gorgeous. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate that. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and if you have any requests for specific colors, let me know and I'll give it a try and do a video on it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.